Yes, guys, this is your boy Wilkid Valsino on the mic, screaming live. We say to everybody, Merry Christmas. You know what will top quality carpet and upholstery do? We guarantee your carpet and upholstery to dry in less than 1 hour or less, my friend. 1 hour or less, your carpet and upholstery don't dry, you don't have to pay. This is our office, my friend. There is no fake news. When you see the spam, people try to spam you, this is our office. This is our office, my friends. This is my studio and my office. Don't let those people fool you. Don't let the people fool you. And those my accomplishment, my friend. From the top one, look at those. Like I said, we franchise. I'm one of the inventor of dry tech cleaning system. You see my license over there. So you get it right there. This is real top quality carpet and upholstery cleaning service. And our location is 274 Cole Street, Chicopee, Massachusetts. We serve all Western Massachusetts, from Springfield, Mass, Chicopee, where our main office is, Hartford, East Hartford, West Hartford, Windsor, Eastland, Melo. Call or text right now for all your carpet and upholstery cleaning service need, my friend. We guarantee them to dry in less than 1 hour. Only carpet cleaning in the world who can guarantee your carpet and upholstery to dry in less than 1 hour or less. And we do commercial and residential, my friend. I say commercial and residential. I hope you hear it. Hotel, motel, chain restaurant, one room, one car. It doesn't matter. We can do it. We get our solution. We get our machine. We get our team ready to commit you to get your job done in the time you need it to get done. Call or text right now. Call or text right now, my friend. Call or text right now. 413-331-3454. 413-331-3454. For Massachusetts. For Connecticut, 860-200-2349, my friend. God is good. Until then, your brother will say, Merry Christmas, my friend. Merry Christmas. God is good.